Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today, we will practice 6 orange level words: celebrity, counsel, demonstrate, drowsy, essential, and hardship. Listen carefully, spell the words, and complete the story. Let's begin. First, let's preview the words. Listen and repeat. Celebrity. A celebrity is a famous person. Counsel. Counsel means advice. Demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show or prove. Drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy. Essential. Essential means very important. Hardship. Hardship means difficulty. Great job. Now get ready to listen to the story. Now listen to the story. Do not write yet. Just listen carefully. A young celebrity visited our school. She came to demonstrate how to stay brave during a hardship. After lunch, many students felt drowsy. The celebrity gave them good counsel. She said, "Sleep, food, and kind words are essential when life is hard." Good listening. Now let's try the dictation. Now listen again and fill in the blanks. You can pause the video if you need more time. Number 1, a young celebrity visited our school. Number 2, she came to demonstrate how to stay brave during a hardship. Number 3, after lunch, many students felt drowsy. Number 4, the celebrity gave them good counsel. Number 5, she said, "Sleep, food, and kind words are essential when life is hard." Now check your spelling before we see the answers. Great work. Now take a red pen and check your answers. Number 1, celebrity. 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 Number 2, demonstrate. 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 Number 3, hardship. 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 Number 4, drowsy. 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 Number 5, counsel. 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 Number 6, essential. 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 Circle your mistakes and fix your spelling. Mistakes help us learn. Now let's read the full story together. A young celebrity visited our school. She came to demonstrate how to stay brave during a hardship. After lunch, many students felt drowsy. The celebrity gave them good counsel. She said, "Sleep, food, and kind words are essential when life is hard." Excellent job today. You practiced listening, spelling, and reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Flow Space 101 Vocabulary Flow.